Hey guys, today's WineText video is on the Barrel Burner 2016 Chardonnay. Now we don't have it in stock yet, it's literally coming in within the hour, so I don't have a bottle in front of me. But excited about this offer mainly because spring and summer are almost here, and virtually everyone I think on our list is going to be looking for some Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Grigio, just white wine in general to have, over the next several months. And this particular wine, while it's not a very big and structured Chardonnay, it's the kind of Chardonnay, especially at the price point, that you can easily buy by the case and just serve all spring and summer long. This is Central Coast, I believe, and it's a very refreshing, easy drinking style Chardonnay. It does have a good amount of oak. It does have that buttery, creamy texture to it. So it's definitely a Chardonnay drinker's Chardonnay. Slightly on the sweet side, actually, if you think about it, kind of more tropical fruits, but nonetheless, something very, very good that even if you are not a huge Chardonnay drinker, but you have people that you'll see over the summer that drink white wine and you want to have something inexpensive in the fridge, this is perfect. Talk about Simi, talk about Kendall Jackson, maybe even Mondavi to a point. If you're buying those kind of Chardonnays, this is going to be a steal for the price. Buy it by the case today.